Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. In one of the previous videos, we created a course, a 4-week challenge related to Corgi training, and now basically we need to sell it. So the next couple of videos will be related to just setting up the system that sells the course for us, right? So it's all automated. So the few things that we need to do, obviously, you need to have some sort of a payment processor integrated with Funneltopia. You need to set up an offer, which we'll do in this video, and also a sales page that we can connect to this offer, and then we can deliver the product, right? So there's all that automation in place. So yeah, as I said before, the first thing that needs to be set up, if it hasn't been set up already, you want to go to payments and scroll down to integrations, and then you want to integrate one of the payment processors, whichever you have. I recommend Stripe. It's like a couple clicks. It's really simple. You just, click, do a couple clicks, log into your Stripe account, and it's just, yeah, it's basically, it takes a minute or two. The other ones you can do as well, but this is the one that I kind of highly recommend, and it's going to be the quickest. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create an offer, which will be under memberships. If you click on it here, and then we go to courses, offers, and then let's just create a new one. Let's click here. It's going to be a Corgi command 4-week challenge. I don't remember the exact wording I used, but yeah. And we're going to connect it to a course that we created in one of the previous videos. So let's click on it here. Type, obviously it's going to be, in this case, it's going to be a one-time payment. All right, so let's do that. We're actually going to collect money for it. Let's do, I don't remember if I promised a certain pricing for it, but let's do 97. And then let's do payment mode live. We can always switch it back to test when we're going to do a test purchase, but I'm just going to do it live now. Let's create. And here you can see there's a couple things we are able to do. Obviously the description, Corgi command is a 4-week challenge that, and there's just, and then you list out the things that are in there. Right, so that's kind of the description. You'll be able to see in a second where it shows up. I'm going to publish it right away. It's secret. Nobody's going to find it half finished. So I'm just immediately publishing it so I don't forget it. So this one you want to toggle because it's related to coupons. Again, later we're going to talk about it a little bit more in one of the future videos, but for now I just keep it on. There's going to be like a coupon field, and we scroll down. So offer access. That's basically if you have, let's say you have some sort of a course that you launch it twice a year. Let's say on May 1st, it's the next launch, and you've been advertising it for 2 months. You want everyone to start at the same time. You have group coaching. You have it's really, the timing is important. That's one option, but usually for the most part, it's at their own pace. Everyone starts at a different time, does it at their own pace. You can leave it unchecked if you want to do it that way. If not, you can select a date, right? When you should start the course. And this one is restrict access. This is for stuff like, I don't know, they buy into a 3-month program, right? A high ticket 3-month coaching program, whatever, that comes with coaching calls and all that stuff. And they also get access for 3 months to the training. And then obviously they can extend it. There's other options, but that's like the deadline. That's basically if there's some sort of an urgency in there to actually for them to go through the course, not just kind of buy it and then, not think about it for a year. So that's another thing I've seen and I've kind of set up in the past as well. And yeah, here you can see what products are included. That's the course we created. And over here, we can upload an image. So I can do like a basic one. Let's click on upload. Let's click here and let's do like an image of Corgi. I think I got this one off Canva. So I kind of like this one. It's really simple. So let's click save. And over here, you can see there's several more options. You can click upsell. That's going to be a little bit later. If you're going to be able to do upsells, like to increase the average cart value, right? But that's a topic for another video. And here you can see you can get the link to sell it right away. Just send it, but we're going to one up this. We're actually going to create a pretty basic sales page for it that looks better than just sending them the link to checkout. And then, yeah, we can also click preview. Since it's been published, we can preview it. There we go. That's the basic. That's the name. That's the image we put in. This is the description, right? That's kind of the very basic one. Proceed to checkout. Let's actually do it. Enter coupon, no coupon, proceed to checkout. And there we go. And then they see the checkout, right? Really simple. So that's the basic checkout page, but we're going to make this better. This is just to get started, just to have something in place. And that's about it for the offer. I think I covered everything. Let me double check. So yeah, basically the payment processor integration and setting up the offer that we're going to connect to the sales page. One last thing, if you created it and you don't need it, then under more actions, you can delete it. So that's another thing. But besides that, oh yeah, you can edit checkout. So you can take a quick look at that just so you know that it's a thing. So over here, you can click on, you can just click through, see what's going on, offer details. You can add images, add more stuff in there, right? Just kind of customize it. And we go back, yeah, the banner and all that stuff, contact information. You can collect an address, you can collect a phone number, right? Along with the whole checkout thing. That all depends on address. I would collect if it's like a physical product, right? Phone number, maybe if there's some some elements of that. There's actual coaching calls and stuff. I would collect those as well, but yeah, just so you know that these are the options. And then we go back, service agreement. That's also a thing, right? You can link to service agreement, just so you know that those options are here. That's it for the offer. And in the next video, we're going to head right in and we're going to set up a sales page. And then we're going to connect it to the offer. And then it's going to be a whole thing. And then we can test out the purchase and see whether it gets delivered. If you have any questions, let's go back for a second. Over here, you can see this icon at the bottom, 24/7 chat support. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll try to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.